Namaste, Vanakkam, Salama, all the way from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. ITA is at the FAMT, the Federation Asian Master Tailors, and आज हमारे साथ है Mr. Sushil Sachdeva, all the way from Delhi.
Hello, morning.
Welcome, sir. How? It's an absolute pleasure. आपको I've never met you before, but it's great. It's great to see you. It's great to know about your business and what you do. कुछ बताइए आपके बारे में.
In fact, it is my pleasure to be part of this association. I being into industry from last almost 18 years myself. Otherwise, it is the third generation business where we are associated with our client with them with fourth generation also.
Oh wow. तो आपकी family business है, but this private label is 18 years old.
Yes, exactly.
Amazing.
Exactly. And it was actually a very great experience associating with this organization. I'll just give you one simple example. राम जी को भी युद्ध लड़ने के लिए हनुमान जी की जरूरत थी.
जी, बिल्कुल.
So it is as simple as that. कि these kind of organization is a Hanuman to you.
Absolutely. सही बोले आप.
They take you to their shoulder and they give you the platform to fight to the society and to raise your level up.
क्या बात है. एक ही बात में आप तीर मार दिए. Amazing. Absolutely right. जो आप बता रहे हैं, the whole Tailor Association,
yes.
what AITA है,
yes.
Indian Tailors Association,
yeah.
is about brotherhood, is about spreading
relation,
exactly,
giving you more strength, making you powerful. You could be having any skill in between you, but where is the platform to show the skill? That is the AITA.
Amazing. AITA is here in Malaysia, as you all know. But एक बात मैं बताऊंगा आपको, सुशील जी का, the man is impeccable. His style is amazing.
Thank you.
पहले दिन से he's been wearing one look after the other, and I'm amazed. So, sir, आपको my full respect. I am absolutely in awe of your style. You took part in the fashion show as well.
Yeah.
तो कुछ बताए हमें. What was the whole look? What did you do?
The inspiration of my garments were from the feather of the peacock, and I designed both the garments of female and the male in a grandeur king look. That was my purpose.
You had a lot of drape.
Yeah, there was a lot of the drapes into it and the embroidery of the peacock on the female garment, and the male garment, one panel was having a original peacock feather weaved into it.
Oh wow. There was a lot of creativity, and आप बताए भी थे हमें कि that inspiration was from Lord Krishna.
Yeah, Lord Krishna. Yes,
feather.
Exactly. I got inspired by the Lord Krishna's wearing a feather on the crown. From there, I thought to develop a fabric and the designs accordingly.
Lovely, sir. Like I said, पहले भी आपको बता चुका हूँ. I am absolutely amazed by the style. Every day, it's a different look, and that's what we bring to the table when we are meeting.
It is as simple as I love to be live in it.
Correct.
As simple as that.
Live and love. So, yes. It's all about doing it in harmony and with great sprezzatura जो बताते हैं, with ease. And Mr. Sushil is just a perfect example of that.
It's very, very essential to be passionate about what is your profession, what is your living, and live in your profession. Spend as much as time practically into it. That will give you actually a edge, and that definitely result in the height.
Amazing. Be your business. He's saying speak for it. Be an advocate of what you do. That's great. You need to be comfortable. आप जो कर रहे हो मन से करो.
True.
दिल से करो, passion से करो, and then the sky is the limit.
100%.
Thank you, sir. It was an absolute pleasure. You will see his Instagram. You will check out his pictures. Also follow ITA, the Indian Tailors Association. For now, we have a lot more updates coming up for you. Thank you. Thank you, Sushil.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.
Thank you.